Buongiorno and welcome to the countryside of Imperia. Have you ever had the chance to visit a villa with a large private park nestled in the Ligurian Hills? Today is the perfect time. I'm Francesco Raineri from LiguriaHomes Casamare. Let's go! The property has a large private park of about 10,000 square meters. It's also possible to add additional land plot, and it's possible to create easily a swimming pool where you want. Into the garden there are a lot of pathway with natural stones that lead around in the private park and into the house. The name of the property is Villa Elena, was built in the 90s, and the surface is more than 600 square meters. Let's go inside to explore the main part. The property is currently divided into several units. One of them is used as office now. The house is perfect for large families or for a business activity. The upper part is dedicated to the sleeping area that is connected with a beautiful stairs to the living area. The materials that are used into the house are mainly wood and stones, and they respected all the tradition of the area. It's also incredible with such large property to have a lot of privacy, because no one can see into your property. There is also a mezzanine in the living area that is really suggestive. Follow me.